Here's how to make an easy smash cake.
We can start by making our chocolate cake following the instructions on the box. Here, I'm mixing the batter with 3 eggs and ½ a cup of oil or butter. Once the mixture is combined, we can pour the batter into our pan. Here I'm using large muffin tins, and I will stack the cakes later. Once your cake is baked and cooled, we can remove it from the pan, wrap it with plastic wrap, and place in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Now that our cake is frozen, it makes it much easier to cut and shave off pieces to create these mini cakes. Now we can start adding our frosting, starting with a slab in the middle to hold our mini cakes together. Very gently use your spatula to spread the frosting evenly over your cake. Once your cake is frosted, it's time for the sprinkles. You can use a straw to gather some sprinkles and blow them directly onto your cake. If you don't have a straw, you can use a spoon to sprinkle around the edges. Once you're done blowing your sprinkles, you can add your sign and the candle. Now your smash cake is ready for the party.